This platform that I've never shown you before on this channel has allowed me to make some decent money. This will be a step-by-step tutorial where I explain to you the entire strategy and drop some exclusive tips to help you double up your earnings. Make sure to watch the video till the end to learn everything you need about this strategy. Without any further ado, let's get into it. I want you to go to eclincher.com. This is a social media management tool which can help you manage your social media accounts such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and even TikTok. You can see that we tried the platform for 14 days for absolutely free. We're not going to do that, but I will tell you how you can use this feature to make more money on this platform. No worries, you don't need any social media followers to make money using this method. This is probably one of the best social media management tools in the market, and it allows you to make money online without any investment. If you scroll down a bit, you can see the number of social media accounts this platform supports, and it is guaranteed to boost your social media return on investment and grow your reach as well. One of the issues social media influencers or brands are facing these days is the amount of time they need to spend on managing their social media accounts. They could use this tool and spend that time creating content instead, which is the best part about using social media management platforms. You can see that this platform is offering a 24/7 support team, which is fantastic. Well, continue scrolling down to see where the platform was featured before and read some testimonials, but that's not why we are here. Well, scroll up and hover your mouse on Company, then click on Affiliate Program, as we want to promote this website as an affiliate, and by doing just that, we can get paid very nicely. You can see how much this platform pays. This tool, you will earn between $50 and $100 for every single customer you refer. Well, that's a lot of money, and probably one of the highest paid affiliate programs I can think of. If you refer 200 people in a month to this platform, that would be between $10,000 to $20,000 profit. And the best part is this will make you money online without any investment. Keep watching to know how it's done. On top of that, the 14 days free trial makes it way easier to persuade someone to try this out. The hardest thing about affiliate marketing is trying to get someone to try out a tool or product you're promoting, as they are not that excited about investing money into something they aren't sure is legit and will pay off their initial investment. But with a free trial here, it will not only make the marketing effort much easier, but once they get to try the tool and see the results, they'll definitely opt for a premium account, which is when you're going to get your commission in a 100% passive way. But how are we going to market this tool? My father always says, your best customer is the one who needs your product. So let's find people who depend on these kinds of tools. I want you to go to Fiverr.com. I'm sure most of you are familiar with this platform. It's a global marketplace to buy and sell services online. We are not going to sell anything, but we will approach people who are looking for a social media management tool. You can also apply this strategy on other platforms such as Freelancer, Upwork, or peopleperhour.com. We need to search for sellers who are offering social media management services. Just type that in the search box and you will find plenty of sellers. Try to focus on new sellers who have already made some money on Fiverr. You can do that by using the filter option. You can click on Seller Details and select New and Level 1 sellers. You can also select Online sellers if you want to use the chat messages, which are more effective. You can see that there are a lot of potential customers right here. You can click on their profile and begin texting them. You need 10 customers per month to make up to $1,000. Try not to sell anything. Just ask them to try the platform for free, and once they join one of their premium plans, you will begin making money using this strategy. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions, and make sure to check out the other money-making strategies on this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe now so you won't miss anything in the future. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another strategy on how to make money online.